Hey friends, welcome to Kusadasi Life. I hope you're well wherever you are in the world. Today I'm going to go to an art center and they're actually opening up a new gallery at the art center and six artists are going to be exhibiting there. So let me show you where this place is and then I'll take you through the art center and the art gallery. To get to the art center, if you go past Sarai, if you're coming from the UK and you go past Sarai, take a turning on the right here. This area is known as the Kalichi area, the old town, with lovely cobbled streets. Now, we come to an art center. This is a White Birds Art Center. This center was actually opened up last May. However, today they have opened another section, and that is the art gallery, where six local artists are exhibiting. So let me go in and have a chat with the owner now. With me is Selim. Selim is the owner of the White Birds Art Center, and he opened this center, as I said, in May this year. And today we're celebrating the opening of the gallery next door. Selim, hello, how are you?
Hello, good. You?
Good, thank you. Can you tell me a little bit more about the art center here?
We are opening new. And we are celebrating new.
Yes.
We open almost April. In April.
Right.
And we are waiting all the love artists and art. And that's all.
So what is it going to be? Just the local artists who are going to be exhibiting here, or will you have artists coming from other parts of Turkey to exhibit here?
I know some artists from other countries.
Yes.
I say come.
Yes.
Join us.
Yes.
They will come here.
Okay.
With works, artworks.
Yes.
And also local artists or who love to make artists art.
Yes.
I'm
inviting them here.
Them.
Okay. So let's have a look inside. Let me have a look at your art center, and then we'll go to the gallery section. Nice fire here. So these are the six artists that are exhibiting today at this new opening of the gallery. So introduce yourselves. Who are you, ladies? Who are you?
My name is Elkelina. I come from Germany, but I live 15 years in Kusadasi. I had a guest house, and I'm an artist since 35 years, and I like to build bridges with my colors.
Nice, very nice. And next we have Nasra.
Hello.
tell me a little bit about yourself and.
Okay, I'm German Egyptian. I'm living in Turkey since 21 years. Since 11 years in Kusadası. I'm active artist, painter, dancer. I'm teaching. I'm doing a lot of things. I'm here today as a curator. I collected nice artists to open the exhibition and to celebrate.
So
the
you are
gallery
the
open.
you are the one to blame for this gathering today, isn't it? Okay. Next we have.
Türkçe konuşmamda bir sakınca var mı?
Tamam, Türkçe konuş.
Ben Kuşadası'nda yaşayan biriyim. İlk atölyemi 2002 yılında Ada Sanat Evi'nde açtım. Buranın ilk sanat eviydi. Oradan sonra birçok otelde atölye açma imkanı buldum. 7'den 77'ye öğrencilerim oldu, sergilerim oldu. Bugün buradayım.
Güzel, güzel. Başka.
Merhaba, ben Lütfiye Erciyes.
Ya.
2004 yılından beri resim yapıyorum. Yurt dışında çalışmalarım oldu. 3 yıldır da Kuşadası'na yerleştim. Burada devam ediyorum.
Güzel, güzel.
Hello, my name is Jale Iskaya. I have been painting since 1980s. I'm an English teacher. After retiring, I do my atelier workshops in Eskişehir and have many exhibitions. Thank you.
Excellent.
Hello, benim adım Beyhan Gündüz. Daha önceleri çocukken Almanya'da bulundum. Genç yaşta Türkiye'ye geldim. Hevesim çocukluktan beri var. Fakat nasip olmadı detaylı sık çalışmak zorundaydım. Ondan sonra daha bu aralarda hobi olarak yapmaya başladım. Fakat ilk fırsatta kendi stilimi tuvala yansıtmayı hedefliyorum. Ve daha güzel resimler sergilemeyi hedefliyorum aynı zamanda.
Güzel, güzel. So, ladies, firstly, congratulations on the opening of your new art gallery. And tell me, how do you feel about today? Are you excited? Lovely.
We are missing one artist today. This is
Julia.
Angon. She's in Ukraine and she had to stay there because she has health issues. So her paintings are here.
Yes.
Her husband will come to celebrate the opening, but herself not.
That's all. Okay. Nice. So, congratulations again, and I wish you much success with this gallery. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Well, that's it, my friends. If you are in Kusadasi or planning to come to Kusadasi, pay a visit to the White Birds Art Center. It's an interesting place, and as I said, there are going to be local artists and international artists exhibiting here. It's a nice place. It's a really nice place. Well, that's it. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and share. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does help me out a lot. So until next time, my friends, take care, stay safe and stay blessed.